So guys, let's continue with the creation of tables. So let's create another table, and this table will be a table referring to the student library. So the table will be used by students when they go to the library, and the student table will relate with the library table. So let's create another table. We begin with the create, then table design. So in this table, let's have the first one, which will be the primary key. So let's say the serial number, uh, and it will be auto number. Let's use auto number, and auto number data type makes the table makes the data to give the data it will give uh, the the numbers from 1, 2, 3 as you register the records. So the first record will be number 1, the second number 2. So it will be generating the numbers automatic. Next, let's give in the ID, ID number, ID number, and we make sure that it's exactly as it was in another table. So we also use the same data type that was in another table. So we are making this ID number to become a foreign key, and we say that a foreign key is a field that is used as a primary key in another table, but it's not used as a primary key in the current table. So let's give in the data type as number. Next, let's have the student's name. Student name. It's a short text. Then the class. The class. We also go to lookup wizard. Lookup wizard. I will type in the values that I want. Next. Then we enter the various classes from 1, from 2, from 3, and from 4. Then we click finish. Then we give in the stream. Then we go to lookup wizard. Lookup wizard. So we can enter the values. We had blue, we had green, yellow, and orange. So then we finish. So up to this point, I think the student details are captured. So we can add the field for the book number, book number, the book number. So the book number can be a short text. Then before we save this table, we ensure that we have our primary key. Then we select there. Then the serial number becomes the primary key. So we add it as a primary key. Then we save our table as library table. Library table. Then okay. So after this, let's create another table. Let's create another table, one table. We go to create, then table design. So let's create a table that is used for examination. So in this table, we can have the students admission number. Let's begin with exam number. An exam number can be a number, let's call it a number, then admission number, or we call it ID number, which was a number, then student name, text. Then we can have class. We go to lookup wizard, then we enter the various classes. I will type in the text that I want, the words that I want. We begin with the first class. We have form 1. Next we have form 2. Next we have form 3. Then lastly we have form 4. Then we click finish. Next we have stream. The stream, we go to lookup wizard. I will type in the text that I want, the values that I want. Then we enter the first one, blue. We have green. We have yellow, and lastly we have orange. Those are the 4 streams. Then click finish. Next we can add maths. So those are the marks we are going to enter for maths, and the data type is a number. So because we want to allow numbers to be entered, the marks are in form of numbers. Next we have English. We have Kiswahili. Remember, the data type is a number. We have chemistry. We have physics. We can have history. We have geography. The data types are numbers. We have CRE. I think those ones are enough. We also have biology. It's a number. I think those ones are enough. So let's add in the primary key. So exam number can become a primary key in this table. So let's put it as the primary key. Then we save the table as exam table. So the next thing, we ensure that our tables are related. So we put the relationships between the 3 tables. So under relationships, we ensure that the one table is related with another table, and in relationships we link between the primary keys and foreign keys. So as I was creating these tables, I was ensuring that each table has a foreign key in another table. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to do some relationships. So we are going to relate the 3 tables using one-to-many relationships. So stay tuned and watch the next video. Thanks for watching.